Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am Tiffany Rosenbaum. I am a full-time mommy, a part-time YouTuber, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some clothing items. Now, if you know me from my channel at all, you know that clothing is not something that I like to sell, and I have no idea if the brands that I got are good brands or not, but I was just kind of playing around with it and seeing what I could get. Maybe it'll make me like selling clothing more. Maybe it'll make me hate it just a little bit more. So we'll find out. So this box that I'm going to unbox, there was somebody on Facebook posting that she was liquidating her reselling business to do something else. She found that she liked to do better, and she had a lot of high-end items, and she was selling them in mystery boxes. So I have 20 items here, and I paid, with shipping, it was $74. And I did request larger sizes just because I know that when selling clothes, larger sizes do tend to sell a little bit quicker. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I have is a Hollister pink polo. And these items are all supposed to be in good condition. I don't know how much any of these items go for or not. I have not done any sold comps or anything like that. Next up, I have a Chico's black, long, it's like a vest jacket. It does have some pilling a little bit. It's got like a pleather lining here. Overall in good condition. It is a size 0, and the Hollister shirt is a size extra large. So obviously this is, you hear size 0 and you think petite, but I don't know if this is a petite or not. I don't know Chico's. Like, I've heard of Chico's, but I don't know how their sizings run, so I don't know. It just says 0. Next up we have Worthington. It says LT. I don't know what that means. Large something, maybe. It's very sheer, bright blue, and it's got squares cut out in the sleeves and the bottom. It says it's polyester. It's pretty cute. Again, I don't know if Worthington's a good brand or not. Next up is a Dress Barn Woman 22 to 24. It is like a thicker t-shirt. It's a good casual stay at home, or I mean, you could even go out with this, but it's a thicker, more wintry material. Next, we have some new with tags dress pants. And the brand is Maurice's, size 26 long. And again, they have tags on them. I am super short, so I'm not going to stand up right now, but they're just your basic dress pants. They do have a Gordman's tag on them, and they say they're juniors. And it was saying that they were $12.99, but they're Maurice's brand. This brand, I don't know what it is. It has like a C, and then it says established 1946, 22, 24 is the size. If you guys recognize that tag, can you tell me what brand that is? I mean, I can research it too when I go to lists and stuff. But this is also very sheer. You'd have to wear a shirt underneath of it, a tank top or something. But it's very cute, blue shades, it's buttoned, and it has a zip. And the sleeves, you can button and roll them up, 3/4 lengths. This is a button up, button down, I don't really know the difference. Donald Trump Signature Collection. The sizes, it says 15.5 and then 34-35. So I don't know if this is women's or men's. I want to say with the fit, it almost looks like a women's. I just noticed that there are some staining on the sleeve here. And you can see where it was folded, which when it is folded, you cannot see the stain. So the stain's on the outside, or like the inside, but you could see some a little bit of dirt on the lining here. A good dry cleaning might get that out. But yes, this is a Donald Trump. I know Trump has a lot of money, but I don't know if his clothes sell for a lot of money. But it's a button dress shirt. I don't know if you guys can hear the baby. She just woke up from her nap, so she's yelling from her room. Now, this brand is that same brand that I didn't know, the C, established in 1946. This is a 1416, and it's a sweater. It's got some elephants on it, and it's a little bit baggier on the bottom. The sleeves look like they're 3/4 length sleeves. So more of a casual sweater. And then we have Apartment 9 in extra large. This is a cute little top. Kind of more of a sweater material, but you might want to wear a dress, not a dress, a shirt underneath it. Again, 3/4 length sleeves. Yeah, I did see it. This one has a little hole in it. So some of these items are flawed. It has a hole here. So obviously I cannot charge, you know, like a full price or something. I would have to discount that. This is a Maurice's size 1. And this shirt feels very, very used. Like there's just pilling all over it. It does not, honestly, it doesn't feel like something I would feel good selling. So I might just throw this one away. It just feels very well loved. That's a little disappointing. This is a Liz & Company Petite extra large, new with tags. It looks like it has a price tag of suggested retail is $44. So it's just a little cardigan in a more of like a plum color. Then we have some Liz Claiborne Career dress pants. They are a size 16, and they're actually just capris, I would call them. They're not full-on pants. They're black with white polka dots. They have pockets. Good condition. I don't see any flaws on these ones. Then this is a Reba Rose. Again, I don't know that brand, but it's an extra large made in the USA. It almost looks vintage, like the tag looks older. It is made in New York, and it's like a thick sweater material, but it buttons, and it's missing a button. Well, that'd be fun trying to find a matching button. I'll just disclose it. Maybe somebody really likes this sweater and has one at home. Next, we have a coat, and this is a Talbot's coat made in Italy. Pure camel hair. Okay. It was like a pea coat. And the size is 16. It's lined on the inside. Doesn't look like it's missing any buttons. Look at the sleeves. The sleeves look good. Like I know when I wear my coats, the sleeves get all dirty on the hands there. That all looks good. So, you know, this one might be worth something. It doesn't look like there's any tears or anything in the lining. Dry clean only. Made in Italy. So this one might be a good one. It needs steam because it has some wrinkles from shipment. Then we have these Apartment 9 Modern Fit 24 wide. These are kind of like dress slacks, but casual dress slacks. They are jean material, but they are capri length. They look like they're in good quality. I don't see any flaws or anything like that. So I would call that excellent used condition. We have some more dress pants. These are Maurice's, size 22 wide regular. These are super nice. These are actual dress pants. They go all the way down. They have pockets. They have really some nice accents on them. And they're like a nice light gray material. I used to have to wear pants like this when I worked at the bank. We have some new with tags. The brand is Attire New York. Never heard of them. Women ankle slim leg, 20 wide. They are Lissa's ankle. So kind of dress slacks. The material is different. It almost catches your hands, but it's supposed to be that way. It's got different shades of blue, like more like a denim colorway, but it's not denim. It is stretchy. It is rayon, nylon, spandex, and polyester. The tags originally was sold at Steinmart, and their price was $34.99. This is simply Vera Wang extra large. Looks like a kind of dressy casual top here. It's got black satin and then the little doodads here. They're not sequins. I don't know what they're called off the top of my head. See, I'm not good with clothes. But it is cute. It is a little wrinkly, so it could probably use a good steaming. But I don't see any flaws that stick out to me. Again, I don't know how good of a brand Vera Wang is to resell, but I'll find out. Now these are like a berry shade, more Reese's. They're just your typical jeans. They're a size 18. And they're capris. I don't see any flaws right now. I see them all right. And then the last item is new with tags, and these are actually Old Navy brand, Old Navy Original Short. The style is called Famous Jeans, I guess, mid-rise, original straight, and the size is 16 short. Just a nice pair of jeans, your basics. All right, so that was the 20th item, and just to recap here, I did not get this box knowing that I was gonna make a home run or have make a bunch of money. It was just to kind of see what I could get in a mystery box of clothes and see if I would find any enjoyment in that, maybe familiarize myself a little bit more with the clothing brands. So if I'm out reselling or if I'm out thrifting, then I know what brands to be on the lookout for. I do have a local resale shop that's just down the road from me, and all of the clothes there are all $1 every single day. So I know that that could be a honey hole if I knew what I was looking for. So out of the 20 items, I did have one that I'm probably just going to throw away. I had one that was stained, one that had a hole. So that's 3 items that are iffy. But everything else, I should be able to at least resell for something. I do want to look up the sold comps on that coat, and whatever I do find, I will put on the screen in the editing process just to show you guys about what I might be able to get on the coat. The coat was probably the best item in the box. I'm guessing, again. I don't know how much the Donald Trump shirt would be worth, but also it does have a stain on it. So I will let you guys know, and maybe you'll see some of these items on my stores. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.